Hello, this is Gumi. In this video, I will show you how to create a Netflix account. You'll see it's really very simple, and I'm also going to share with you a tip to get your subscription much cheaper. So if you're ready, let's go. So here I show you on my phone because it's easier for me and I think it's easier for you too. But the procedure is the same whether you register on your computer, on your TV, etc. Because anyway, once you sign up for Netflix, you get your credentials and you can log into your computer, your TV, your phone with those same credentials. So for me, it's more practical to do it directly on my phone for the video. So to create an account, you can either do it directly on the netflix.com website. So just search for Netflix in the search bar of your browser, Google for example, and then click on the first official Netflix link. Then normally if you don't have an account yet, you can directly enter the email address with which you want to register on Netflix. So I enter mine, and if you click on Start, you will be able to configure your account. So you click Next. Next, you will need to set a password. So use a strong password. Then you can click Next. Then you will have to choose your offer. So the price will vary depending on which country you reside in. So you should know that unfortunately there are no more free trials on Netflix. There was a free trial a few years ago that was available for 1 month or 30 days. You could use Netflix without having to pay or without having to choose a subscription. So it was quite convenient, but now it's no longer available, and I really searched everywhere and even on the official Netflix website and noticed that there are no more free trials. So you have to pay to watch videos on Netflix. So you can see that it is relatively expensive, especially if you want to have the high definition option in 4K, etc. So if you want to pay this price, you are free to click Next and then complete your registration. But I'm actually going to share a tip that I've been using personally for over a year that allows you to have a premium Netflix account in high quality 4K for only €3 per month. This is thanks to the Gamswell platform, as you can see here on the screen. I put the link to access the Gamswell platform in the description right here or in the first comment pinned under the video. Just click on it and you will be automatically redirected to the Gamswell platform. And actually, what is Gamswell? It is a platform that will provide family Netflix accounts that can be shared with several different users around the world. Up to 5 people who will share the account. So rest assured, you will have your own dedicated profile on Netflix with your own series and your own movie recommendations. So it will be like having your own Netflix premium account. It's just that since you're going to share the different Netflix subscriptions in this family group, well, that's going to allow you to have a big discount on the price. As you can see here on the screen, £3.77 per month to finally have the same Netflix premium as if you subscribe to it yourself on the official Netflix website. So you will finally be able to use this Netflix subscription with GamesGo on all devices, whether it is on mobile, cell phone, computer, or even on your TV directly, it will be the same account. I've been using GamesGo for over a year now, and it allows me to have Netflix at home everywhere in high definition in 4K for a really low price. So it's really all good. I'm super satisfied. So that's why I'm sharing this tip with you. So if you ever want to register on Netflix with GamesGo, it's really very simple. Just click on the register function at the top right. You can register directly with a Gmail account or a Facebook account or a simple email address. I will log in with my Gmail account. It's super fast. So here I am connected. Once you are logged in, you will have access to all the subscriptions that are available on the platform. You can see that there is Netflix, but also many others like Spotify, etc. All this at truly unbeatable prices. So to sign up for Netflix with GamesGo, you click on the Netflix subscription. You then click on Join Now. Then you will finally be able to choose the Netflix subscription duration that you want to have. So the longer the duration you choose, the more discount you will have on the price. So for example, if you take a 12-month subscription to Netflix, you see it only costs you €3.75 per month. So this is really a huge discount compared to the normal price of Netflix subscription. While it's exactly the same whether you do it on Netflix.com or on GamesGo, then you can click on the option to enable automatic renewal if you want it to be automatically renewed. This way you don't have to worry about renewing it as soon as your Netflix subscription ends. And it also allows you to have an additional discount on the price. You see that it goes to €3.67 per month. And if you still want an additional discount, if you want, you can enter my promo code, which is GUMMY right here, and apply it. Then you can see that now the subscription goes to €3.49 per month. So it's really a good deal. Once it's good, well, you just have to click on Go to Payment. You can pay with any credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. The payment is done in a very easy and secure way. Once the payment is settled, you will directly obtain your identifiers and your password to connect to the Netflix account of GamesGo. You will be able to connect at the same time on your mobile phone, on your computer, on your television, and directly access all your Netflix series and films that you want in the language of your choice. If you ever have a problem, there is a customer service section where you can chat directly with a chat that is available 24/7. So the people at GamesGo will be able to answer all your questions or problems if you have any. I've been using GamesGo for over a year now, and I've had absolutely no problems. Everything went very well. Everything works very well. I am really very satisfied. That's why I am sharing the tip with you. And that allows, as you can see, to save a lot of money, especially on monthly subscriptions with Netflix, but also many others. So there you have it. Don't hesitate to use it. In any case, it's all good. You can ask me all your questions in the comments if you wish. It was Gummy Chow.